Hey guys, it's Andy with Florida Gun Supply. Merry Christmas. I've got a t-shirt giveaway for you. For those of you who don't know, I am a licensed ham radio operator. So if you can tell me, and you're one of the first 5 people to tell me what I'm about to say in Morse code, I'm going to ship you a free t-shirt. It's the Car Arms Thin Blue Line. So send me a private message. Don't comment below because I don't want you to give away the answer. Okay, here we go. Send me that. Tell me what I said. You'll win a free shirt if you're one of the first 5. Merry Christmas, and as always, get armed, get trained, carry daily, and long live the Republic.